This is Edgar with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I'll be showing you how to replace your 14 pin on your XM6 and the tools we'll need for today: this Omni Vice grip and some tweezers. So we gotta start with taking the old one off. As you can see, this one broke right there, so we'll be replacing that. What I do recommend is spraying these wires out. Take a photo so you have it memorized, because they have to go into each pin. The wires have to be the same, going from left to right on each one in the same spots. If one wire is off, your headphones will go through some turbulence. First, start with opening this. Now, to remove the old pins, pretty simple here. You grab your tweezers, the top part, and just slide across, and then flick them all off like that. Then you can pull it off. This one was already broken, so you might have a little bit. And when you're placing it, make sure the 16 pin is down, like held like this, and you're placing it this way, not like this. Or you could do it this way too, but I like to do it this way. That way I know when I'm placing these in, they have two faces on them. They have a kind of a pointy side, as you can see on one side right there. The point's up. You want that to go in like this, facing up. So it's just easy for me to remember and do it that way. So that's why I do it that way. Very bad at explaining myself, but you know what? You live and you move. Boom. Now you can take it off the grip, compare, make sure all colors are correctly faceted in their locations. Looks good to me. Now that you've done that, you can put your headphones back to how they were. If you are colorblind and can't see colors that well and don't know if you put them in the correct spots, I'll be right back. I'm about to show you guys a little trick. And for this, you will need a multimeter. You know, I think everyone has a multimeter just sitting around their kitchen somewhere. You want to go to ohms. Basically want to place one on each on the same color, and want to go down the line. If it beeps, there's connection, that is the right wire. If it doesn't beep, that wire is in the wrong spot. So that's a little trick just in case you are colorblind, to help you folks out there. And that is completed. Hope you have a great day, and I hope I was able to help. Goodbye.